Okie dokie, let's have a look at number 7 then. We've got 4x over x plus 1 times x plus 2 times x plus 3. They're all linear factors, aren't they? So we should be able to identify the type it is. It most closely resembles this in form, doesn't it? This over a pair of linear factors would be a over the first plus b over the second. So it's the same structure, the same pattern that we adopt. It'll be case 1, but instead of 2 factors we've got 3. So let's apply case 1 then, because that's the case it fits. And so it'll be, we can let that equal then 4x over the first term. Not 4x, is it? It'll be a. There we are. A over the first term, x plus 1, plus b over the second, x plus 2, plus c over the third, x plus 3. There we go. So that's that done. So now we multiply by the denominator both sides of this. Okay, here we'll just leave 4x on the left. So let's multiply by the denominator then. And on the left we'll just get left with what's on top, which is 4x. On the right, effectively when we times by all 3, then this one will be a and the other 2 will come up, won't they? X plus 3 plus b. And then this one, when you times by all 3, it will be that one and that one that come up. X plus 1, x plus 3. And then c, when you times by all 3, this one will disappear and the other 2 will come up. X plus 1, x plus 2. Great, there we are. Now, there's convenient values to substitute, aren't they? So let's try something then. Clearly, if we put in 1, these two things will disappear here. Minus 1, these two will disappear and we'll find out what a is. If we put in minus 2, this and this one will disappear. We'll find out what b is. And if we put in minus 3, this and this one will disappear. And we'll find out what c is. So there we go. That's what we do then. So let's try x equals minus 1, shall we? See what happens there. On the left, you get 4 times minus 1. On the right, the second term and the third term will disappear. The first term will be a times minus 1 plus 2 is 1. Minus 1 plus 3 is 2. So you get 2a equals minus 4. 2a equals minus 4. So that tells you then that a equals minus 2. There we go. That's that one done. A equals minus 2. Then let's put the next value in then. X equals minus 2, wasn't it? Yeah? Let's see what happens there. We get 4 times minus 2 on the left. Minus 2 here will be 0. The b will be non-zero. Minus 2 plus 1 will be plus b times minus 2 plus 1 is minus 1. Minus 2 plus 3 is 1. Okay, so b times these two, which is minus b, that will work out as, is equal to minus 8. So minus b equals minus 8. And that tells us then that b is 8, doesn't it? Yeah, b equals 8. And let's put the last value in then. X equals minus 3 now. See what we get there. We get 4, on the left we get 4 lots of minus 3, of course, don't we, when we put that value in there. Equals, now the minus 3, the first term will disappear because it's 0 times that, which is 0. The minus 3 in here will make that 0, so that will be 0, the second product. And then the third term, if we put minus 3 in here, we'll have plus c. Minus 3 plus 1 is minus 2. Minus 3 plus 2 is minus 1. So we get minus 12 then, equals 2c. So that tells us that c equals minus 6, isn't it? Divide by 2 both sides. There we go. Great. So that's what we got then. So let's write down the answer then now. I'll put it up the top, so I'll give myself a bit of room now, I think. So let's just get rid of this stuff here. Yeah? Right. No, I'm just... Sorry, I'm going to get rid of this here, guys. Is that alright? That middle section, let's just cut that out. We put it in here. Let's get rid of that. And I'll put it in here. And I'll write so. I'll put y equals then a minus 2 over x plus 1 plus b, which is plus 8 over the x plus 2, great, and then plus c, which is minus 6, so we've got minus 6 over the x plus 3. There we are. That's it. There's our final answer. I just squeezed it in there on the same page by getting rid of that little space there and put it up there. I hope you followed it though. I could see the workings. Alright guys, that's that one done then. That's number 7 done. Let's move on to the next one.